Our interest is to know the general welfare of Murang'a, how it is going on, whether it is the economic matters like agriculture, coffee, tea, milk, all those things. You are there all the time, and you are actually the one who should be able to brief us as to what is going on. There is also the other aspect of politics. There is a lot of activities in Murang'a, and this is traditional. Murang'a has always been very active politically, even historically.
We have already buried 2 people because of the elections of 2022. Yeah. That's why I'm saying you are lucky if you can afford, because people want to make it through Murang'a. So kidogo usingizi itapungua.
We are just starting the journey, and we hope to walk well. And I know next year is a difficult one. I'll really need your guidance because of what I've already started seeing.
In particular, the area of security and youth unemployment. Those are things that we are talking about and looking for ways to resolve